How to fix this app is not available in your country or region in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So whenever it says that this app is not available in your region or country, all you have to do is launch your Play Store application on your device. Here you need to search for a VPN. Now as you can see, there's different options for your VPN. You can choose whichever you want. Here I've selected this VPN over here. And I've already installed this in my application, so I'm just going to tap on open. And as I tap on open, just tap on agree and continue. So as I tap on agree and continue, you can just skip the ads over here and tap to connect. Tap on OK again. And as I tap on OK, you can just start connecting by selecting a different country where the particular app is available. So you can just select the country and you'll be able to use and fix this issue of particular app not available in your country or region. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.